Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to show you how to draw Austin the Avocado, who is a super cute squishmallow. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment, subscribe, maybe share this with a friend. All of that is really helpful. And let's get started. Pressing autofocus. All right, I'm going to start drawing Austin with a shape like this, kind of like the shape of an egg, or more so a nugget. I usually say squishmallows are kind of shaped like a chicken nugget. All right, so shaped like that, and at the very top here we're going to do a little shape like this, so not quite a rectangle. It's the little like avocado stem. And now we are going to do a smaller version of that main shape we did. So we're just following that shape we already made, like that. And now right here we can do a circle. Like that. And I'm going to put two eyes here and then a little smile in the middle. So one there, and a cute little smile. All right, so I think it's pretty cute, but it's going to be even nicer when we add color. All right, so we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!